Hello, so yeah, back again with the project. I've been doing odds and sods, mostly just mapping stuff and having little sort of experimentation sessions. And I thought I would show this breakthrough, should we say. I've been playing with Bouncy Notes feature because, well, initially one thought about doing the same as well, that's my fan going already. Initially wanted to do the same as my ADD part 2, which is in the other playlist, but just with more videos, make it more complicated, more cuts. Yeah, so I initially wanted to do that, but last couple of days I've been thinking that's a bit samey, and I've got my work in progress. I know I keep doing bunny quotes. Work in progress, comment. Oh, Jesus Christ. Work in progress presentation on Tuesday, I think, or Wednesday, maybe next week. But I thought I should try and do something similar, so it's not just, you're not just peddling the same old crap. So I put a Bouncy Notes here and changed the root note and how the key range, so it should be just this selection of pads you can see here. I also added a MIDI clip. You can see here. It's every 4 bars and another ball will get introduced. This is, once again, they were just picked at random. Once again, this is more just to see how it reacts, how it copes. Should I change the BPM, or should I change the MIDI clip to make the balls faster? This is all stuff that I will be tweaking over the next. Well, it's got hand-ins in like May, I think, so next month or so. As far as that goes, I'll also be exporting. I haven't done it yet because this is just something I thought about before loading the jet engine up. But yeah, getting a MIDI clip and I shouldn't have done that, should I? Yeah, anyway, I don't need to show you what to do, but I was going to import the MIDI, record the MIDI coming in from, there we go, is that working? Cool, yeah, that's empty, so we've been up now. Right, so yeah, that'll record the MIDI in from the first one. I also can do that. Cool, right, so yeah, I'll do that now. And yeah, I'll also show you how it's made the video generation work. Again, I'm using Evo Sweep and the random velocity to trigger the random clips that are all velocity sensitivized. Cool, right, so here we go. Oh wait, I need to arm that, then I arm that. If I click 4, will that record? Time it. Right. Right, so now it should record. I think the MIDI for this, well, we'll hope, won't we? So let's get this back up. Oh, that's a bollock, isn't it? Get that back up. Number 4, wasn't it? So if go number 4, hopefully.
Make a drink, I need a weed. These lips open. Pussy.
Cool, so yeah, that seemed quite fun. It seemed to be going over the top. I noticed here that it was hitting drum pads that weren't, well, they didn't have anything assigned to them. So I changed the tonic to C, which I thought if that's starting at 1, it should have started at anyway. I don't know. I don't know what the difference between that is either.
Cash money.
These lips open.
Be honest. Right in the stars.
Also, these something else I should mention with the in and out. I set every single channel for the choke to be 16, so that means only the most. See, it's all of them. Blah 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 blah. Is that all? Oh, yes. Right, cool. Yeah, so yeah, that means only the most recent note will play. They've all got quite a long release of about 5 seconds. Yeah. So that's what I've done for this one. We can bugger that off for a bit. Oh, that didn't record. Brilliant. Cool, I'm going to open this just because it's something interesting to look at while we do it. And is that highlighted? Yeah, sweet. Right, I'm going to try and record the MIDI. Awesome. So right, in theory, if my computer doesn't explode, I can set up a second lot of 16 drums with oh no, because then it'll only do the one effect per sample. It would essentially like them to flick between all of them. Anyway, we'll come back to that. Just thought I should update that a little bit. Yeah, so thank you. Bye. Stop.